In this video, we're going to talk all about the Pulse 3D headset in 2025 and see if it is still worth using this Pulse 3D headset for your PlayStation 5. Let's talk about it. I got this headset a while ago, back in 2021, when it was really first released, and I thought it was great. I really loved this headset. It was the first accessory that really stood out to me with the PlayStation 5 range that was really good. I really enjoyed that it used a 3D Audio Tempest engine. It had all the capabilities that I needed for an entry-level headset for the PlayStation 5, like instant connectability, EQ settings inbuilt, had the control center capabilities, as well as the onboard capabilities of all the buttons that you get, such as the monitoring, the power buttons, the volume buttons, in-game audio and chat buttons, for example, as well. And it is a super flexible headset, and I really like the build quality. Over time, I thought that these cuffs would crack, but they seem really well in really good stead. The outer shell, though, does have a few markings and scratches. Like the PlayStation 5, as we know, this material here does get scratches over time, so it's something to keep noted. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this headset still in 2025. The Pulse Elite definitely improved on certain functions, such as having an external mic to be able to come out, because this has an inbuilt omnidirectional microphone. The external microphone with the Pulse Elite is a big improvement on the microphone. When you are wearing this headset, it's lightweight, so it's less than 300 grams. It is really comfortable and it's lightweight. It has inbuilt noise cancellation, which is really useful as well. But yes, all the buttons are there, so you kind of know which one is which. You have the mute buttons, for example, as well for the microphones. When you actually plug it in via the jack to charge it up or connect it physically to your controller, it will take away a lot of those wireless capabilities, but overall, it's not too much of a bother. So yes, back to the microphone. The omnidirectional inbuilt microphone, for example, it doesn't pick up as well as the Pulse Elite, so it's something that they improved on quite a lot. Also, with the dongle, they improved on with the Pulse Elite, the dongle that will work with multiple different headsets or multiple different accessories that are in the Pro range and the new range. So this dongle just works with the Pulse 3D headset, and if you lose it, then it's kind of a challenge to actually be able to use this Pulse 3D headset. So that is a bit of a negative when it comes to this headset. But overall, this headset is still really solid. So once again, with the Pulse 3D, you really get spatial audio, so you can hear stuff from behind, from the sides, all directions. So it actually is a more immersive gaming experience, which is what I recommend for you. Like, if you need an entry-level Pulse 3D headset that's under $200, about $130 when it's pre-owned. I picked this up pre-owned. Overall, it does the job. It does exactly what I need it to do. It's a 3D audio headset that connects with the PlayStation super easily. As soon as you plug this in, it connects straight away. The full battery life takes about 3.5 hours to charge. That's quite a long time, so you do have the capability to be able to charge it via USB, so you could actually plug it in, and you've also got the jack, so you could plug it into your DualSense controller, for example, as well. You do get that option just in case your headset dies, but it has a 12 to 13 hour battery life as well, which will probably diminish over time as well, just to let you know. So overall, in terms of the battery life, it's actually a lot less than a lot of other headsets that I've noticed. So a lot of headsets do have that 24-hour battery life. So you're getting about half that with this headset. So it's up to you whether you really want to game for like 12 plus hours, because I don't really sit down for 12 plus hours. I don't have that much time in the world to play video games. I have had a lot of really good sessions with the Pulse 3D headset. Late at night when you don't want to disturb other people, it's great. It's affordable to be able to do so, and it provides that 3D audio engine for that really good close ear headset experience. Overall, it's pretty comfortable and it's flexible, fits most sizes. Like I've said before as well, like the monitoring, like you've got all your options here, such as your power options. As long as you have your dongle pretty much plugged in, it works with all the PlayStations. Just gotta plug this into the back. Apart from other things, like I found that it's quite difficult to actually get one now, so I managed to get this pre-owned. Still a very popular headset at the moment, and people are still grabbing the Pulse 3D headset, and it just shows how great the Pulse 3D headset is. It's honestly the one that I think a lot of people go for when it comes to headsets, because one, the connectability, especially the integrated connectability with the PlayStation as well, the software, all the settings already there. You've got EQ settings to be able to adjust the bass, the highs, the lows, everything that you really want. You've got the 3D audio engine, which works really well. You've got all the capabilities here for a great headset. It just needed the improvements of the inbuilt microphone and the battery life. Those are two things that I think were the biggest improvements needed for this headset, which they improved on with the Pulse Elite headset. I kind of prefer this design because it's a lot smaller and it's still big for like a headset, but it still fits really well, and the design is a lot better, I find, than the Pulse Elite. The Pulse 3D is still a great headset and I love the look of it. For me, like, I really like this headset. There's only a few minor downsides to a lot of upside with this headset. It's affordable, it's easy to use, has everything you need, so overall, it's still a great headset for 2025, especially if you're playing PlayStation and you just need that headset. Just get yourself one of these. It works.